That dog's cute. I like that dog. Hey, hey, hey! Don't get all bitey. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Life with the Rebel. Today guys, I just wanted to do a little follow-up on a video I did a few days ago where I did this mod where I reversed the mirrors or flipped the mirrors or dropped the mirrors, whatever you want to call it. But I did a full install and a quick first impressions. I have the link in the description. So I wanted to talk about it a little bit more because, well, for one, in the video, I mentioned how I thought it would be a 50-50 thing. You know, you're either going to like the mirrors like that or you're not. But to be honest, guys, I'm kind of on the fence. I'm kind of liking it. Yeah, so guys, I figured we'll take the bike out for a quick little road test. Talk about a few things. And there they go. But yeah, some of you guys might be interested in flipping the mirrors yourself, so hopefully you'll find this video useful. Okay, real quick guys, I wanted to show you the clearance between the brackets and the tanks and how I have everything. But how's that look, guys? Can you see that? Barely get a finger in between there. And the mirrors too, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have the mirrors angled back kind of the same direction as the grips. I could probably push them out a little bit further, but you see that, guys? And then also with my leg up here, I mean, the mirror will hit my knee. But like I said, I could probably adjust the mirrors a little bit. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead and take it out for a little spin. Do some more tests. I want to check the vibrations, blind spot, and then kind of decide from there if I'm going to keep the mirrors like this. Now, one thing I was wrong about, guys, is the head movement. You know, when I first did the mirrors, I felt like I'm doing like this, looking down a lot, looking down, up. But I was wrong on that. I was a little bit wrong. The way I have the mirrors now, I could pretty much glance down at the mirrors without a whole lot of head movement or even move my head at all. So that's something to keep in mind. Let's get up on here. Where are these cars? There's a lot going on today. Yeah. So yeah, guys, the head movement not as bad as I thought in the beginning. So we need to check this blind spot too a little bit here. See, we'll pass this car. Maybe I'll let a car pass us here in a minute. But now the vibrations, there seems to be more vibrations when I have the mirrors down like this. Especially at the lower speeds. I only do about 40 and the mirrors start to vibrate. I see that car there in the mirror. But yeah, also I don't know what it is. Maybe I gotta go back and check. I mean, I did check, but this mirror on this side here seems to vibrate more than this one. It just seems, I don't know what it is. I mean, I have everything on there tight, so. Bit of blind spot. Yeah, nice out today. Supposed to rain tonight. So I don't know if you guys can see or not, but doing 45, 50, mirror's gonna vibrate. and probably a lot more than what you're used to. It's hard for me to tell. Gotta flip the mirrors back to know for sure, but they seem noticeably more vibrating. That's all I gotta say from right off the bat. When I took the bike out, I just noticed the vibrations more, so they probably are vibrating a lot more. So that could be a issue. Might have to take it up on the interstate here in a minute, find out for sure. What's this truck up in front of us? Green light, yellow light. Alright, dude. Get out for. But yeah, guys, as far as the looks, I'm loving the looks. Kinda. I mean, like I said, I think it looks good either way, but for some reason I do kind of like him down, how it looks like that. It just kind of has this kind of clean look, kind of shaved look, I guess. No whiskers sticking out the top. I also like this view up front. You know, I feel like I got a wide open space. I don't even notice the bike really. I just feel like it's more open, kind of like I'm flying or something. I don't know, but I do like that, the openness, like nothing blocking my view. See, where the heck am I? Look at this little dog. What are you doing, dog? Are you lost? Huh? There was all these dogs all of a sudden. Come on. Go home. Go on. Go home. Go on. Go home. That dog's cute. I like that dog. Hey now. Hey. Don't get all bitey. Hey! That dog just tried to bite me. The dog just bit me. I'm not seeing any blood. Oh, not a little. Dang, a little chihuahua. Lucky I didn't kick it over the fence. Man, the heck. I just got attacked by a bunch of chihuahuas or something. The whole thing bit me on my ankle. Didn't leave any. I didn't see any marks or blood, but I could feel it. You know what? I just realized I didn't have my camera on the whole time. My rear camera. Oh well, let me pull over and turn it on. I keep doing that. I keep forgetting. Get up on here, guys. Woohoo! Yeah! I don't think I've been this way before on a motorcycle, guys. But I'm hoping there's an exit up here. Yeah! Woo! Man, that looks like rain up ahead too. Yeah, I'm just taking it easy on this road because I don't know what this road is like. It feels a little rough and everything, plus wind. Mirrors, they don't look any more vibrating. I thought it was going to be a lot more vibrating once I got up on the interstates and stuff, but looks about the same. I'll get an exit. Some rain over there. Yeah, that's where I was hoping. Yeah, that's where I was hoping to exit. Cool. But yeah, guys, so I don't know. I just want to do a quick video today on the mirrors because I felt like they didn't really talk about it enough. And really all I wanted to cover was the vibrations and, you know, the head movement and stuff. And like I said, I'm looking down right now. I'm glancing at the mirrors right now without moving my head. So like I said, I was wrong about that. And vibrations, a lot more vibrations when you have the mirrors down, at least with this kit. I know they have other kits, and some stuff I read is supposed to be less vibrations, but I'm not getting that with this kit. Now as far as the blind spot, I think I got the mirrors adjusted pretty good to where there's not much of a blind spot, but still, you know, it's always good to look over your shoulders and everything when you're changing lanes. Yeah, see, I didn't even bother waving to that guy. I'm not going to either. Not waving to anybody today, guys, unless they wave at me first. That's how we're gonna do it. But yeah, any of you guys interested in doing this? I mean, I think it's worth a try. It didn't take that long either, guys. I thought it was going to be a real pain in the butt. And the video I tried to do an in-depth install and pretty much cover everything. I know it could be kind of long video, but I didn't want you guys to miss anything. But other than that, you can probably swap these mirrors out pretty quick. Probably 20 minute job. As long as you got the tools and everything. I also forgot to mention these rubber caps. I don't know if you guys can see them here. Got the little rubber caps on, although I don't have them in all the way. They're kind of a pain to get in there, but all I did was just lick them. Just put it in my mouth, lick it, and then I just pushed them in there. But I figured I'm going to take them back out anyways, so. But I guess if I was going to make a pros and cons list, I would say the pros look good. I like how the mirrors look when they're down like that. I think it gives it a more kind of classic, kind of rebellish look to it. And I like the view. Like I said, this view right here, I'm liking that. But that's the only real main pros I can say, guys. As far as the cons, I mean, the vibrations, it's really close to the tank. It could hit your knee. Could hit your hand. I heard about people hitting their hands on the mirrors and stuff, so yeah. But there are probably more cons to having it down than pros, I would think. But yeah, if you guys are interested in doing it, or you have done, or you did and you didn't like it, or whatever, just let me know. Kind of curious if I'm the only one really doing it. I don't trust these guys here. This road is pretty bad for traffic sometimes. Yeah, guys, I think that's really all I can think of right now about the mirrors. But if you got any questions or comments about it, you know, just post them below. But I think I'm going to finish off this video by having a quick peek at Cracker Barrel. Let's see if anyone's over there today, guys. It's Saturday, you know, with all the drama, whatever. But let's just see. Is it busy? Let's have a look at Cracker Barrel. Yeah, I appreciate all you guys watching, subscribing, leaving comments and stuff. Appreciate all you guys. Hope this video was somewhat helpful, or at least entertaining with the dogs. Other than that, stay safe, stay focused, and stay motivated. Dang, another dog. What the heck? Getting chased by dogs today. What the? Look at Cracker Barrel. Does it look busy for a Saturday? Not really. Yeah, crazy weekend, guys. So catch you all next weekend. It's Life with Rebel. I'm out, guys.